I told you that in Europe there is still a country where there is no wealth tax, no inheritance tax between immediate family members, and foreign income can be exempt from taxation? At the beginning of April, we received a decision from the Portuguese tax authorities, and today I'm going to walk you through exactly how Portugal functions today and what benefits you may gain when relocating to Portugal. Hi, if you're planning to move to Europe or simply want to buy a second home here, you are in the right place. On a daily basis, I work with high net worth individuals relocating to Europe or other parts of the world. Subscribe to stay up to date. Today, I will explain why Portugal is an excellent destination. Reasonable real estate prices, a new tax regime, no wealth tax, no inheritance tax between immediate family members, and a secure geographic location between Europe, Africa, and the Americas. That's Portugal. Some people move there for peace and a comfortable lifestyle. Others are drawn to water sports and seafood cuisine, and others are looking for security. What more could you want? What are the benefits of living in Portugal? The new tax regime, known locally as IFICI, provides not only an exemption for dividend and interest income, but also for capital gains. You can benefit from it for 10 years if you establish a business activity in Portugal that is considered innovative or otherwise valuable to the Portuguese economy. To qualify, you need to apply to the local tax authorities. How does the new tax regime in Portugal work in practice? The IFICI system is often referred to as NHR number 2. It is not granted automatically. You need to apply for it and wait for approval from the Portuguese tax authorities. Here is an important practical point. At the moment, Portuguese tax authorities are relatively open to granting this new regime. Of course, that does not mean there is no process. You still need to go through the procedure. However, approvals are currently being issued without additional questions. This April, all of our applicants were approved, including for individuals whose business activities in Portugal were in areas such as business administrative services. So if you structure your business correctly, the benefits can be even broader than under the previous NHR regime. The current IFICI regime provides exemption not only for dividends and interest, but also for capital gains. How do you qualify? You can apply for this new regime if you have not been a tax resident in Portugal for the past 5 years and you are not currently using the NHR regime. The application must be submitted in January following the first tax year in which you relocate. The regime can be granted for up to 10 years. To qualify, you must carry out an activity that meets the criteria of an innovative business. While the name suggests scientific research and innovation, in practice, this has already been confirmed over the first 2 years of application. The scope of these tax incentives is much broader. The regime also covers activities that are considered beneficial to the Portuguese economy and have a development-oriented character. In practice, the Portuguese authorities are currently confirming that this can include activities such as data processing or business administrative services. What taxes apply under the IFICI system? An individual using the new tax regime in Portugal can benefit from exemption on foreign income. What is particularly important for those considering Portugal as an alternative to other Southern European countries is that foreign income, including capital gains, can be fully exempt. There are, however, exemptions. The exemption does not apply to foreign pensions income or income from jurisdictions considered tax havens by Portugal. For example, if you receive dividends from a company based in the Cayman Islands, those dividends would not qualify for the exemption in Portugal, as Cayman Islands are on Portugal's blacklist. For those of you with well-structured assets, it is also important to note Portugal has got a favorable geographic position. There is no wealth tax, no inheritance tax, no gift tax between immediate family members. This is quite unique in Europe. If this direction is of interest to you, reach out. My team and I can assess whether Portugal is the right solution for you.